We know that living with a neuropathy can make life challenging physically. Weakness and reduced feeling makes moving more effortful. Many people feel overwhelmingly tired, and sometimes it hurts to move. All of these things can lead us into a downward spiral if you're not careful, and that can only make things worse. Moving less means that our muscles get weaker through not being used and we become less fit. Movement then becomes more of an effort than it was to start with. The really good news is that this disuse, weakness and lack of fitness is reversible. Gentle exercise can increase our strength and fitness levels. It's also been shown to reduce tiredness and fatigue. Resistance exercises, for example weight training, can increase the strength of the muscles that are not so affected by the neuropathy. Some examples of strength training that you can try are lifting a light weight, using an exercise band, and using your body weight. Aerobic exercise training, or cardio, is where we improve our general fitness by doing exercises that get us slightly out of breath and our pulse increases. A couple of ways of doing aerobic exercise are using an exercise bike and walking. Could be walking outside or on a treadmill. Most people ask me, how hard should I be working? My rule of thumb is to use a 0 to 10 scale. 0 is when you're resting. 10 is when you're working flat out and you're ready to drop. Try working at about a 5 or 6 out of 10. With resistance training, that would be when your muscles start to feel tired after 8 to 10 repetitions. If you tire after fewer than this, reduce the weight. With aerobic training, 5 or 6 out of 10 would be when you're slightly out of breath, a little bit flushed, but you can still talk. If you're exerting more than this, reduce the intensity, don't push so hard, or reduce how long you're exercising for. You can slowly build it up over time. If you feel you'd like some help or advice when exercising, you can consult a neurophysiotherapist or a qualified exercise trainer, and they can help you set up a programme.